Now we discuss the time period of simple harmonic motion. Time period of simple harmonic motion, the time taken by the particle to complete one oscillation is called the time period of simple harmonic motion, that is short formula as SHM. Here the time period T is given by T is equal to 2 pi over omega. Here omega square is equal to k over m, so omega is equal to under root k over m. So equation becomes T is equal to pi over k over m, so time period is equal to 2 pi over m over k. So this is the time period of simple harmonic motion. Now we discuss the frequency of simple harmonic motion. Frequency of simple harmonic motion, the number of oscillation, the number of oscillations of a particle in simple harmonic motion per unit time is called frequency of simple harmonic motion. Their short form is SHM. Hence, frequency F is given by simple harmonic motion. We know that F is equal to 1 over T, and we find T is equal to 2 pi under root m over k. So frequency becomes F is equal to 1 over 2 pi under root k over m. That is the frequency of simple harmonic motion.